Want to know why you looking at a hairball? Take a quick listen.
All right, so what I'm about to do, y'all be like, yo, this tripping. I'm not though, but I'm about to do it. I'm about to cut my hair off all the way, bald. I have to, like, cause this is bothering me, man. And I'm gonna be derma rolling right here, like when it grows back. And all I really have to do, right? But it's not doing it. Brush it down, right? And then it just lay down, right? It's not though. One thing I can honestly say, this is coming back in really good. This side is coming back slightly. Damn! Balded, right? And we're gonna see how this looks. We're gonna see how it works. I haven't bald my hair to white. We just gonna bald right here. Right here against the grain. Oh shit.
I nigga don't know whether to cry or just get fucked up. So
it's dying now, Dad.
We in the woods cooking crack, bitch.
I always told myself that I would never, ever, ever rock the George Jefferson. I never wanted to rock the Sunbow. No disrespect to the people who rock the Sunbow, but I'd rather just go bald. And it looks clean in my opinion. Let's go.
Your bald head, for real. It's not that bad, bro. It's really not that bad. Y'all can clown all y'all want to, but some of y'all don't even got no hair. Y'all be like, yo, this nigga tripping. Not really. Y'all should be doing the same thing. Really. Let's go. Ain't this the nicest hairball you ever seen? Look at that. Look at that, boy. That's what I'm saying. You can't get this from nowhere. This is real, boy. This real, my boy. But yeah, go bald today. Smooth. Never be afraid to step out the box. You might need to do the same thing too. Until the next video,
If you're in the Fayetteville area, you in the North Carolina area, you want a good service, go ahead and pull up on your boy, make an appointment, and I'm out.